kalaflai atu, hane hea tolu atau valatal tutupuke lata ya mapunya pone. Greetings and kalaflai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Moa he matakaulanga ki mamafa hong fu mafitu e pine ma Niue. Weightlifter scoops 17 medals for Niue. Tau mamana kiang he lilif palemia ke he tau puhala liveki he taktakai motu. Premier outlines Niue's climate action. Tūtokolalo e uha ke he tau mahina I mua. Less rain forecasted in the months ahead. Ko e whakaholoanga whakawhiawhia ki Simasi whakamua ki Paliasi. Hundreds flock to the first ever Christmas on the Rock. Ki hukeo ki waha tapu kua moale ni moa he matakaulanga ki mamafa hongfu mafitu e pine. Toko tolu yalo tolu ni kua tuku whenonga atu ke hukuia Niue ke tau wheua whetokolanga ki mamafa I Brisbane, Australia. Ko e matua ko Alentano Puliosi, Maxine Edwards, mo Errol Tongiavalu. Hongfu malima e pine katoa he matakau, ono e pine aulo, lima e pine siliva, mo e wha e pine apakula. Ne talahaua I e takitaki ko Alentano Puliosi ke he kupenga hila, kua amatalahi mo e whiawhia ia, mo e hana matakau hako maeke ke toto e hingoa, hani we ke tau whewalanga ki mamafa I Australia, ke hongfu malima e pine fulfuloala mani we whakahele. Ke matakau ne takitaki e Narita Viliamu ke motu hano mea, ke lata mo e tau whakakoanga langa ki mamafa, kua moa e Inamata Tongiavalu, mo e pine siliva, mo e moa e Ramsey Edwards, taha e pine apakula. Ko whiawhia lahi e takitaki ko Narita Viliamu, ke he tau malolo, he tau whanau whiwhine toko ua, mua atu hako e whetoko whakamua, halaua nei, I whawhoi Niue, mo e kua moa pine. Ko liliu mai whalu, he tau he matakau, ke motu he whahitapu nei. Niue's weightlifting team scooped a total of 17 medals in the 2018 powerlifting bench press and power bench press championships in Brisbane and also a competition in Nomea. The team scooped a total of 6 gold medals, 5 silver medals and 4 bronze medals. On social media, team leader Alentano Puliosi said that he was very proud of his team for medaling on their first international competition. The other team in Nomea, New Caledonia, Inamata Tongiavalu, won silver medal and Ramsey Edwards a bronze medal. Competing against the Commonwealth champ Charisma Tarrant, both achieved their personal bests. Narita Viliamu said that all 4 girls made her very proud. Their achievements made all the late-night trainings and months of pushing themselves worth it, especially as it was their very first competition out of Niue. Some of the team members have returned to the island this week. Whātumaunga ia motu ke lali ke tukutuku hefo e tau vewe, ke le veki me lang matai e takatakai motu. Ko talahaua I lilif palemia Sir Taketalangi, tutu mau e whakatufano ke kumikumi ke tau puhala ke whakahanghang mitaki aki e takatakai motu. Pehe mai e takitaki e koutu Sir Taketalangi, kua lali e whakatufano ke whakamea, mo e whakamaupopo e luo vewe I makato, mo e whakaonga e tau koloa ne kua maike ke lata mo e whahi whakasese e moko. Ko lata foki ke hike tau puhala ne whai leveki mo e whakaonga e tau koloa he motu, o e o moianga foki e whakatufano ke tau se whamitaki e potaanga he tau vewe he motu. Hahai ai foki anō noanga he whakatufano ke tau se pitiki mo e tau kaina takitaha. Ko e manako e whakatufano ke whakaonga e malolo he la, ke tāwilia ke malolo hila, ke tau lotokaina he motu ke he wanga fulu, po ke tahe seo e pasene ke he tau whakatokaanga ke le vekia ki e takatakai motu. Mo lea 5 miliona he tau tāla ne kua lang matei tupe he whakatufano New Zealandi ke lata me whakahaloanga sola ke whakaonga e malolo he la ke tāwilia ki e malolo hila. Premier Sir Taketalangi has outlined government's efforts in climate action. Sir Talangi says that we need a change in ways we manage our resources. He has outlined the government's is ensuring power waste management on the island.
Up in Niue, the things that we're trying to do at the present moment is to deal with making sure that the dump, if you like, is clean, tidy, and we don't dump anything in there. They will be processed and made into compost or producing gas and so on. Second thing is to do with septic tanks.
Renewable energy is an area government is also investing in to help the island be self-sufficient, particularly with solar energy.
Of course, is to ensure that we can become self-sufficient with solar energy that is being provided. So we've got about one more project funded by New Zealand, $5 million or $6 million for the next phase in the solar farms that we are setting up. Hopefully, that'll enable us to produce 80 to 90 and sometimes maybe 100% of our electricity needs. Now, there are two parts to this. One is that if we are able to achieve that, then we might be able to save ourselves about $1 million, $2 million importing fossil fuels. Fossil fuels is going to cost us a lot of money unless we change it to use solar power and so on. So those are the things we need to do, apart from the fact that we also need to make sure that we keep our island clean. We don't have very many tourists to spoil it, and we get them to also make a contribution towards managing the waste they leave behind when they come to Niue.
Ko whailoa he whahinga hoa fofuang matangi kwa manaki ke tō toko lalo e uha ke he motu ke he tolu e mahina ki mua ko fuafua ke tō lalo e uha ke he tau mahina ha Ianuali kia masi he tau fou. Au nino tō lahi e vevela he ea, lahi e uha tō moe puke he moana ki he tau motu. Ke tau motu tunga Papua New Guinea mo Palau, ko e mga hala la nina ka tō e la mo e toko lalo e tahi. Ko mga hala au nino ko manaki ke longa a whā ki he whahi uta he atu Pasifika. Whailoa mai foki e whainga hoa fofuang matangi, tu mawanga ia ni e Pasifika ke lauia ke au nino ke he whitunga furu pasene. Less rainfall is expected in the coming months as the Weather Office has forecasted below normal rainfall in the 3 months ahead. Niue Meteorological Office there states that the below normal, which is 649.9 millimeters of rainfall, is forecasted from January to March 2019. There is also an El Nino alert in place. This means the chance of El Nino forming in the coming months is around 70%, triple the normal likelihood. El Nino is a climate cycle in the Pacific Ocean with a global impact on weather patterns. Ko takalonga te tangata ne kua whakalataha ki Paliasi, ke lata me whakaholoanga whakawhiawhia lolongo ki Lisimasi, he o kio ki wahatapu kua mole. Nā kai hangang mitaki e fofoang matangi, si kua hiki mai e whakaholoanga whakawhiawhia, ki Lisimasi halamahanga he awhaiumu, ki a whiawhi aho tapu ke he whale tolo i Paliasi. Pese ko tumau e uha, tō tumau e uha, whakahoko e tau whakawhiawhia ki Lisimasi. Ko hoko mai Pawaki e tau pulotu uhulolongo tanga ua, ko Frankie Stevens, Jackie Clark, wei matakau ki whangmui mita whakatani ke uhulolongo. Kua kau aloa e tau matakau ki he kehe motu ke uhulolongo, ko e tau fuata mo e tau matakainanga mai he tau motu kehe. In the spirit of the festive season, hundreds came together for Niue's very first Christmas on the Rock. Initially, the concert was to be held on Saturday at the Halamahanga School grounds. However, due to heavy rain, the event was postponed on Sunday evening and was held at the Niue High School Multipurpose Hall. The dull weather did not dampen the spirits of locals as they turned up in numbers to enjoy the Christmas carols. The star lineup were New Zealand singers Frankie Stevens and Jackie Clark, who were later joined by the cast of Meet the Whakatalis. Performances on the night also included various choirs by students, youths, and Pacific Island groups. Children were delighted with the appearance of Santa Claus, who gifted the crowd with sweets. It was also an opportune time for children to get a photo with Santa. And that is all of our news for tonight. Of course, mene to tolo ata wala ta tutupu, ke lata ia me puli pōni. Ke nona whā me ke amnuine pō.